Hello everyone, my name is Tim and I'm one of the product specialists here at SpyCentre Security, the Spy Gear Superstore. And I'm here today to talk to you guys about the 1080p concealed camera watch. What I have for you today is a normal looking wristwatch that has a hidden camera and a microphone within the body. It records in full HD 1080p video onto internal memory. The watch actually functions and the camera is very easy to use. Take a look at this instructional and quality video. Hello everyone, today what we're doing is a quality demonstration for the 1080p concealed camera watch. Now we're going to do a couple of different demonstrations for you today in our storefront and then as well as outside. Now in order to do those quality demonstrations for you, I got to show you how to start a recording. Let me show you. So located on the front of the watch here, there's a button at position 8. When you press and hold that button for about 2 seconds, you're going to see a little light come on down there. Once it's going to flash a few times, but once it stops flashing, that started the recording. Okay, so now all of the video and audio you're hearing currently is actually being done by the watch itself. How you doing, Kenny?
Doing great, how are you?
Excellent, thank you.
So this is something we've been doing for years in our retail locations to demonstrate the audio and video quality of our recorders. This is done in a normal speaking volume.
Awesome. Okay, so now I'm going to take the concealed camera watch outside. This is footage of the 1080p concealed watch outside. Keep in mind that the wind can affect audio quality. Now all of the video is actually stored onto built-in internal memory within the watch itself. When you need to recharge your battery or watch the video, you can plug the watch into your PC with the provided cable. Part of what makes SpyCentre truly the Spy Gear Superstore and sets us apart from other spy stores out there is the fact that we offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee. We've also been in business for over 20 years and have served tens of thousands of customers. Our support staff will ensure that you find the perfect product to fit your needs. We offer free ground shipping, discreet billing, free lifetime technical support, and we are also open on Saturdays to better assist you. If you guys have any questions about anything at all, please do not hesitate to reach out to us. You can find us online via live chat or by telephone at 1-800-292-7748.